Hey everyone, so this is my last video for the Wet n Wild Wonderland collection. So I'm going to do purple. I put like a little bit of purple, tiny bit of purple lipstick on my eyes. I'm gonna start with this purple here, right here. Oh my goodness, like a big clump of eyeshadow. Well, I expect this to be really messy. It's just a big clump of it just came off. Let me do the other eye because I don't want that big clump to go to waste. And I'm going to take this dark pink right here to do the contour. And I'm going to take the white and use it as the highlight color. Not very pigmented. And I'm going to take this like the white with blue shimmer. That one's coming off in chunks too. The center. I mean, the inner corner. Right, let me do more purple. Because again, I want this to kind of be like, like a smoky. So I want to bring that up. Oh my goodness. See that chunk that's on my lash? Oh my goodness. Alright, let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone. So this is the finished look. Used all the stuff. I used the white liner and it just really doesn't, the white shows better than the pink, but I put in the inner corner, I just put the glitter mascara in the inner corners too. I used this pink as the blush and a lip gloss, and then I put the red lip gloss over it, and it darkened it. So that's what I did with that. I was just looking at the palette, and I think that I do want to do one more look. I didn't use this color here. I didn't use the brown, and I didn't use this beige color there. So I think I will do one more look, and I'll use the more orange, which I think is this way. I think that's the one called This Way, with that for next time. Which, as you know, it's as I'm slowing down, I'm going to be doing it every couple of weeks as opposed to every week. So yeah, so that's it. My hair, I'm sorry if it's a little messy. It is growing out. I have all the damaged hair like on the ends right here, but all summer long I've been being told what a beautiful color this is, so I haven't covered it. I've been using this Rock Locks Color Me Purple hair coloring conditioner by Piggy Paints. So I've been using this to cover my new growth, and surprisingly it works on the new growth. I just keep putting it in, in where I part my hair. I keep putting it on the edges. This I think washed out already. I gotta put more. So this has been lasting me a long time. I'm only halfway through. I was thinking about doing my whole hair in it, but since everybody's saying they love this purple, I'm just kind of leaving it alone. So yeah, so that's it. Want to tell you quickly. Um, I finished this. OMG, I'm like so happy about that. I finished this a few weeks ago. I've been leaving it there to show you. So that's from the 120, um, the first palette. So yeah, I still have the greens and a couple of light blues. The matte lights, a couple of matte light blues, and the lime greens on this. That's all I really got left. And a periwinkle. Oh, and one turquoise right there. But I'm gonna be using the green for the rest of the month, the lime green. But next month I won't be using that because I'm gonna be getting into warmer stuff. I've been using some of these. Some of them have already been finished. Usually, since they're much smaller, they finish much more easier. I finished one, two. I finished like 4 of these. I've made a big dent on like 5 or 6 of these. This is the shimmer palette, 88 shimmer palette, and I kind of been using it together. And so yeah, next month I want to get into my Believe Beauty stuff. So I think that's what I'm going to be using next for probably till the end of the year. Okay, so see you guys soon. Mwah. Bye.